Greetings, Mark Brown here. As you can see, we have an Excel sheet right here. We're going to see how we can link this to a Microsoft Word. If you notice, you have some data right here, right? When I link it to the Microsoft Word, I can come right here and I can make some changes and then also update into the Microsoft Word. So what I wanted to do, I want to click. I'm going to come like that right here. So I'm going to right click there and then I'm going to click on copy. Right now I click on copy, I'm going to minimize this right here. So I'm going to open my Microsoft Word document right here. It's in the taskbar right here. I have a Microsoft Word document. So I'm going to open this Microsoft Word document and we're going to actually link it. Right. All right. So we're going to select a blank right here. Now when you select the blank now, all right, let me close this. When you select the blank, we're going to show exactly what you're going to do when you select the blank. All right, if you notice right over here, it says notice it show the word paste. Right, I'm not going to right click and pick paste right here. I'm going to come right here and click on paste. You notice right here, it's all the paste section. Right, so right here, paste special, I'm going to click on that. You notice when I click on that right here, notice right up at the top right here. Notice the paste link. So I'm going to click right here. So to paste link. Yes, very important. But if you notice over here, when it's for Excel sheet object, I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to come right down here. I'm going to click on OK. And in a while, you will see it appear right here on the sheet. And when I finish, I'm going to save the sheet. All right, if you notice right here, you see it appear with everything right here. If you notice the Excel sheet, this is an Excel sheet. All right, so I'm going to save this right here. Save as. I'm going to come right here to browse. When I click on browse, I can click on computer. I can choose to save it or your OneDrive. If you wanted to put it, whenever time, whatever you wanted to put it, if you input and I can also add it other place. Right, so I want to save that on my desktop. So I'll just say link file. I just want to put link right there and I'm going to press save. Now when I press save, now I'm going to close it. Now when I close it, now I want to bring up back my Excel. Right, so I'm going to press the escape key just to take off this off it, right? If you notice, I'm going to add something else right down here. Right, so I'm going to write something else down there and you see exactly what take place and all of that. All right, so write something there. I'm gonna put down something right there. Yes, come across. Right, so I'm gonna delete these two rows here. All right, block all of it, and then I'm gonna press and delete. All right, good. Now I do all of that. I'm gonna minimize this. Right, so this is a link one. So I'm gonna put the cursor upon it. I'm gonna right click. Right, you notice this is open. So I'm gonna click on open. All right, you're going to see exactly what your file. All right, you notice it said this document contains a link that may refer to another file. Do you want to update the document data? So I'm going to click right here. That's a yes. Right. So if you notice right here, notice it right here, cut out. The two will actually take off. All right. So all right, I'm gonna save that and close it again. Go back to my Excel sheet. Right, so to my Excel sheet now, I'm going to back it again. I'm going to come up here to the conditional format. Right, I'm going to come down. I'm going to put some stuff like this. Right, so I'm going to open up my link sheet again by right click, open. So what it's going to show you the same thing again. You're going to click on yes. All right, if you notice, it changed right here in the sheet just the same. right here, right? Let's see that again. Let's close it. Make some little adjustment again. All right, so I'm going to put back some more data right over here. You notice as soon as I put back the data, you notice the color there. So it actually keeping the format just the same. Yes. Keep the format just the same. All right, so we're adding some extra data that we will actually move before. All right. Now we're going to minimize this now. So we're going to open back our link file here. And then over ink file, we're going to see what's going on within it. All right, we're going to click on yes. You notice the extra data actually added. Very important. So that's exactly how we actually link our Excel file here. Let me put them right across. All right, and this is set for the Microsoft Word. So this is set for the Excel that we actually link to our Microsoft. So any changes I make right here in the Excel, it also change right over here in the Microsoft Word. So hope you have learned something from this video here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.